Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one and only Great Dane, back with day 198 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we got.
Mythic!
Hey!
Carol is my name.
Hobgob
Geology is my game.
Pretty cool skin.
Super rare.
Super rare. 50 power points.
Super rare.
Super rare. Another 50 power points. I'm just gonna want to put that on because if I'm not mistaken,
I guess you plateau.
this skin is a reference to goblins in Clash of Clans and Clash Royale, right? I don't think they released it in that light. I think it was like supposed to be a villain or something, but that's what I think of it as anyway. So again, we have Tusnita in the shop for roughly another day. Got 20% off if you guys wanted that one. Again, you can't get her out of Star Drops because she's legendary rarities. If you want her, you have to buy her with gems. And we also have Crocodile Buster, which is an epic. I think you can get it out of Star Drops again. I know the ones you can get in the catalog that you can buy with bling, you can definitely get in Star Drops. For the ones you can't see, I'm not 100% sure. I would assume so. Again, this is 25% off if you guys wanted it. And for the daily freebies, you have 5 credits. 15 coins. I don't believe anything significant has happened since yesterday, so as of today I have no XP doublers and 21,414 power points. So let's see if I can take this, guys.